garden of friends. In our garden, we work as one, growing plants under the sun. You dig the holes, I'll plant the seeds. We help each other with all our needs. You pour the water, I pull the weeds. Together we grow a garden of dreams. The flowers bloom so bright, so tall. Our teamwork helps them big and small. When we work together, it's always bright. We share the joy and the day feels light. Hand in hand, both yours and mine. Teamwork makes everything fine. A garden of friends.
Again, let's give him a warm round of applause. And